Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. Before I jump into the main topic of this video, let me quickly show you a web application I have recently made. This is a website similar to Udemy. I believe everyone knows Udemy more or less. Udemy is a very well-known online learning portal for various courses. I am a really big fan of Udemy, and I wish I could be a proud owner of a website like Udemy. So I made this website and tried to make this website look almost like Udemy. Let's quickly go through my website. It has a fancy homepage. You can also see a bunch of visually appealing courses with nice animation. On the left, there is a course filtering option. You can filter by price or categories. If we click on the course preview button, we can see a course introductory video. We also have a separate page where all the courses are listed. This page also has filtering options, similar to the one we saw in the home page. I can also log into the system as a course instructor. These are the courses I created. I can edit the course, delete the course, and create as many courses as I want. So I can say this a full-fledged learning management system like Udemy now. Here is the shocking thing I'm going to tell you now. This full-fledged application I have developed in less than a day without writing a single line of code. And in the rest of the video, I'm going to tell you exactly how this website was created, and trust me, even you can make an application without knowing any programming. So without further ado, let's start. The world of technology is always changing in today's world. One of the most exciting changes is the rise of agentic AI. So what is agentic AI? Agentic AI can complete entire tasks, like building a website from start to finish. In the past, you needed to be a coding guru to create a website or an application. But things are changing very fast now. Agentic AI is making it possible for anyone, even without coding knowledge, to bring their ideas to life through web application. This is just the beginning. As agentic AI evolves, expect even more incredible things. One platform leading the charge in agentic AI is Replit.com. Replit is an AI-powered tool that takes your instructions and turns them into a fully functional web application. Previously, we can create a static website with AI. That was very much possible. But now, with Replit, you can create an entire web-based software without writing a single line of code. How cool is that? Imagine you are telling Replit that you want to create an online learning management system or LMS. You describe what you want, and Replit will build everything right before your eyes. This is the power of no-code development with Replit. Let me show you how I created this website with Replit in less than a day, and you can do the same. The first thing you'll need is a Replit account. Head over to replit.com and look for the sign up button. Choose your preferred method to sign up: Google, GitHub, or email. Once you've confirmed your email address, you're officially part of the Replit community. Sign up for your Replit account. It's the first step towards unlocking the power of no-code development. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the Replit workspace. On the left-hand side, you'll find a file navigator. In the center is your main coding area where you'll interact with Replit agent. And on the right-hand side, you'll find a preview window. It's like having a magic mirror that instantly reflects your design choices. Let's give a try. So here I am asking Replit I want to create an online learning management portal like Udemy in Next.js. Next.js is a front-end JavaScript library. Now, Replit saying it's going to give me a proposal of what is going to build within that learning management portal. Okay, it's saying Next.js is not supported yet. Instead, it will use React.js and Express.js. Okay, fair enough. As long as the application is what I want, I really don't mind whether it's built with Next.js or React. It will generate a prototype first. It's also asking if I need any of these features. Okay, why not? Let's select all. Feeling excited now, really want to see the end result. See, as soon as I press enter, it builds the prototype. On the right side, we can also see the JavaScript code it's generating. I am not doing anything apart from watching the magic. Wow, it's really cool. It's keep generating a bunch of code. And see, it's not only generating the code is written in a human readable way by following coding standards. You can see in the left, it creates a checkpoint. Checkpoint is helpful if you want to roll back to the previous version. It's also creating the relevant files, as we can see in the left. Now it's creating a course page. It's also installed a bunch of dependencies now. I believe the application is almost ready. It's taking some screenshots as well. Not sure what they're going to do with these screenshots. Wow. It's asking if I need a database. Of course, I need one, as this will be a proper application where the course details will be stored in the database. Everything is happening behind the scenes. You don't need to be from programming background, so it created a PostgreSQL database. The agent is thinking what else can be done. Awesome, now it will implement our database with our front end. Okay, wow. It's find some error while creating the application and now it will fix the issue by itself. Great. After the fix, it's taking another screenshot. And finally, it shows me the website it has built. Initially, it just creates a user sign-in and sign-up page. Let's register. It seems it's giving me an error. Something didn't go well. Let's ask Replit if they can fix the issue. Okay, it says the issue is found and it will fix it shortly. Seems the issue is fixed. Now it's restarting the application after taking another screenshot. Wow, seems it's also created the home page as well with a dummy course. Great. This is inside the course. Checking if the enrollment thing works. Okay, yes, the video player works well. Though it's not looking as great as I expected, but let's see if I can fine-tune the design by giving more instructions. Once I have done with the initial feature, it will ask me what else features I want to implement. It will suggest some features. Let's say I also want to implement analytics page where I want to visualize. Now it's giving me some proposals, what should be included in the analytic page. It will have a dashboard and charts showing some statistics and trends. Wow, great. Relevant pages are getting created. We can see analytics page is created. Now it's asking me to log in as an instructor and if I can see the analytics page. Okay, let's do. It also created a dummy user account for instructor. Let's use that. Now, if I go to the analytics page, I can see a nice looking dashboard with charts. Great. Now, let's us Replit if it can create homepage like Udemy where students can search for course. Surely it can do that. Wow. It's now creating a bunch of files for homepage. It just added some UI card and course filtering options in the homepage. Now it says the homepage is ready. The homepage will have a searching and filtering option. And on the right, it shows me the homepage. One thing I noticed, if I try to access the homepage, it redirects me to the login page. Seems the homepage is only accessible to authenticated user. So let's ask Replit, I want the homepage to be visible to guest users as well who are not authenticated, and it will change the logic based on my instruction. Now, I can see the website takes up the full width of the screen, which doesn't look good. Let's ask Replit to make the layout as boxed layout so that there will be some gaps in the left and right. It's rewriting the code now. See, the layout is changed. There is now some empty space in the left and right, which looks much better. So just tell Replit what you want and it will make it happen. Now let's us Replit create 10 dummy courses from AWS, Azure, GCP, and cybersecurity with eye-catchy course image. Let's see if it can do that. Looks like it's doing that. Courses are added now. Let's have a quick look. Woo! Can you see the magic? I didn't write a single line of code and making a web application without giving any effort. Really alarming, guys, for software development job markets. Why should I pay thousands of dollars to someone if I can make the website by myself with just few bucks and in one day? So I am not going to make the length of this video tool lengthy by show end-to-end process. But that is how you can create a web application so easily without knowing any programming language. So this is the website I made with Replit. Replit will also suggest more ideas that I can implement for the application. Even you can change the look and feel of this website by choosing a theme with Replit. You can also directly deploy the website to make it public. If you want, you can link your own domain to this website. For example, in my case, I linked my domain cloudindepth.com with this. That means even you don't need a system administrator to deploy this website in a server. Everything is taken care of by Replit. Let me adjust another feature. In the course creation page, I can see the course category is open text. That means you can type whatever you want, but I don't want that. I want the category should be selected from a predefined categories. So I am asking Replit to change it to drop down from free text field. And voila, seems it's doing that. Shortly, I can see the effect from the course creation page that it's no longer a free text. Remember, you might not exactly get what you asked for. Replit might make mistakes. In that case, you need to guide it to the right direction. So what's the pricing? Is that free or paid? Well, this type of thing surely will never come without cost. Replit has a free tier though. With free tier, you can play around, but if you want to build a full-fledged web application, you need to upgrade it to next tier. I upgraded to Core ARMS because I really wanted to build a full-fledged application, and free tier is not enough for that. But I found it's really worth it. Now, let's come to that million-dollar question. Is AI a threat for software engineers? Well, this is a debatable question. But what I feel now, AI might not replace software engineers entirely in the near future. But it seems AI will have some seriously bad impact in this job market. The door for software engineers is already getting narrowed down. You might have noticed freelancers are now struggling to get projects in online marketplaces. Even if they get some projects, the budget will be drastically reduced. Not only software engineers, now I feel AI is a threat for DevOps engineers as well. Lots of DevOps tasks can already be automated with AI. AI is good in a sense it will boost our productivity, but at the same time, more and more organizations are investing heavily on AI to cut the labor cost in the future. So, what we can do as software engineers, I would suggest this is the time to keep ourselves updated with the latest trends. Don't just stick to the technology that you have learned ages ago. Keep learning new things with trends.